Sokol weather station scope includes a vine and anemometer, a bunch of screws and nuts for the sensors fixation, GSM antenna, LoRa antenna, a cam for the unit fixation, and finally a set of pins against birds. As performing the assembling, you get to use a female hexagonal screwdriver, a male hexagonal screwdriver, some fine stick for a SIM card fixation, as well as a 13mm key. Now we are ready to start. Don't mix up where an anemometer is to be fixed and where a vane is. Anemometer is located from the left. You get to use a female hexagonal screwdriver and a male one. There is a special groove in the sensor stand. The same groove is made in the fixation plate on a weather station. The grooves should match. This ensures the right sensor orientation. Use the tools mentioned to tighten all 3 screws. Now let's fix a vane. Do it the same way. Again, consider the grooves position. It is especially important for the vane. Now connect both the sensors to the connectors according to the marks. You can connect a cam as well, available by order. Next, let's insert a SIM card. Unscrew 2 screws and insert a micro-sized SIM card as it is shown. Push it with some fine stick until clicking sound. Get the screws back. You don't want water to get inside, right? Screw a GSM antenna. And LoRa antenna. As you can see, each connector is actually labeled. Now put the unit on a tube using a clamp scoped. Rotate the unit so the solar panel looks to south. This way you have correct wind direction data and maximize the daily charging. Fix the screws with a 13mm key. Now we are done.